In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up visibility logic for a question field in Paperform. If you want your form to feel cleaner, smarter, and more personalized, visibility logic is a great tool to use. It allows you to control when a question appears based on a condition you set. For example, you might want a follow-up question to show only when someone selects a specific answer in an earlier field. This helps reduce clutter and creates a smoother experience for the person filling out your form. To begin, open your Paperform editor and locate the specific question field you want to control. This is the field whose visibility you want to change based on another answer in the form. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct field because the logic you apply here will affect only that particular question. Once you've selected the field, look for the gear icon associated with it and click on it. This opens the configuration panel where you can adjust the settings for that question. The configuration area is where Paperform keeps many of the field-specific options, so this is the place you'll return to whenever you want to customize how a question behaves. Inside the configuration panel, find the option labeled Visibility Logic. When you see it, toggle the switch to enable it. Turning this on tells Paperform that you want this field to appear only under certain circumstances, rather than showing it to everyone by default. After enabling visibility logic, the next step is to define your condition rules. This is where you choose what must happen in the form for the selected field to become visible. For example, you can set the field to appear only if another field matches a certain value. In practical terms, that means if a user gives a specific answer to an earlier question, this field will then appear as a follow-up. As you set your condition, be as precise as possible so the logic behaves exactly the way you expect. It's also a good idea to think through the user journey from start to finish, so each question appears at the right moment and feels natural. Once your rules are in place, your visibility logic is set. This is a simple but powerful way to make your paper form more dynamic and easier to complete. With just a few clicks, you can create forms that show people only the questions that are relevant to them, making the overall experience more efficient and professional.